Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, so let's get started with the first vehicle. Here we have a 1986 Pontiac Fiero kit car, listed for $8,500 US in Southport, North Carolina. It's been driven 40,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1986 Pontiac Fiero, 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual, runs and drives, has some scratches here and there, 17-inch wheels, needs brake work, needs some new tires, $8,500 or best offer, looking to trade for an SUV or truck, open to all trades. Let me know what you have. And up next we have this 1968 Austin Healey Replica 3000, listed for $12,000 US in Georgetown, Indiana. It's been driven 8,500 miles, has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, built in 1985, 1968 Austin Healey Sebring 3000 replica, great driver, not a show car, Ford V6, automatic trans, new brakes, open to offers. Alright, here we have a 1923 Ford C-Cab, listed for $50,000 US in Hampstead, New Hampshire. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, hand-built frame, 871 blown big block Chevy, TH400, Franklin quick change, 4-wheel disc brakes. This build took 2 years and $100,000 in parts alone, registered and titled as a 1923. It runs very well, street driven and very reliable. No trades. If you're a serious buyer and want to negotiate, then bring money and we can talk. Okay, up next we have this 2021 Chevrolet DF Goblin kit car, listed for $20,000 US in Howell, New Jersey. It's been driven 132,000 miles, has a manual transmission and listed in very good condition. From the seller's description, 2021 built DF Goblin kit car, donor was a 2007 Chevy Cobalt, LS 2.2 manual, which was then supercharged. Price is firm. 2021 open extended DF chassis, 2.2 liter L61 engine, F23 5-speed trans with upgraded DF shifter, Eaton M62 supercharger, Corbeau racing seats and 5-point harness. No leaks, no issues. Turnkey and ready for summer. Registered using Montana LLC, as New Jersey is not as friendly for these cars. Will help with transfer and registration. And here we have a 2018 Factory 5 GTM, listed for $89,000 US in Hialeah, Florida. It's been driven 500 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 2018 Factory 5 GTM, LS2 with 550 horsepower, AC system, electric window, 72-inch rear wing, carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber mirror, and much more. Rebuilt title due to theft. Okay, here we have a 1989 Batmobile Kit, listed for $7,000 US in Forked River, New Jersey. Its condition is listed as new, and from the seller's description, full-size fiberglass kit, delivery available or pickup in New Jersey, easy payment terms. Alright, another one from New Jersey. Here we have a 1929 Mercedes-Benz Gazelle, listed for $10,000 US in Palisades Park, New Jersey. It's been driven 1,200 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1921 Gazelle kit car replica, very nice and beautiful, works perfectly. Driving this car on Sunday just makes you feel in a different way. And up next we have this Ferrari F35 Berlinetta replica, listed for $25,000 in Ottawa, Ontario. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, Ferrari F355 Berlinetta replica, built on 1986 Fiero GT, was built to be a movie prop car. Over $20,000 US of real Ferrari parts were used to make this recreation. Real Ferrari wheels, mirrors, taillights, third brake light, emblems, dash, mats, and seats, 3.8 supercharged engine and a 5-speed transmission, big brakes, wide track, coilover suspension. First $25,000 firm takes it home. Alright, here we have a 1927 Bugatti 35B, listed for $9,500 US in Crystal River, Florida. It's been driven 19,500 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1965 Beetle with a 1927 Bugatti 35B race car kit, 1600cc dual carb, fires right up, runs, drives, and shifts great. Everything works. New parts list: battery, wheel cylinders, rubber brake hoses, intake gaskets, exhaust pipe muffler, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, points, throttle cable, headlight switch, steering wheel, tires, oil change, carbs. Entire vehicle just went through by Bullet Classic Cars in Floral City. Alright, we're going to round things out today with this 1970s Camaro Z28 or Z28 kit car, listed for $2,500 US in Swedesboro, New Jersey. Back to New Jersey again. Conditions listed as used good, and from the seller's description. This kit has never been mounted, sitting untouched since the late 1970s. The builder was a small company out of Pennsylvania who built 6 car body kits. 2 were completed. Quality fiberglass work. Paint is peeling, has a few stress cracks. Included in the sale is the body, front and back bumper covers, dash insert, 1 bumper. Someone cut a few pieces out of it with a torch, original flyer and 2 photos, and the back window insert mold. Pretty much one of a kind. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you will not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.